We are going to study about human activities, chapter number 5. Measure crops. Crop chi sang sang ten geographical conditions ing ange an mamo ti kha tun chuma hang kanzir ho le don ni tun chuma kanzir tur ho hi final exam a pakhat tal ron kalchina wangin kan lo thiam le vekang. Now rice. Rice is the main crop of the monsoon lands in tropical regions. It is the staple diet of about 50% of the population of the world. Okay? Monsoon area, tropical region, monsoon area an thlai chin pui berania. Khovela mishing cheng za som nga ten cho atan an ringani. Conditions of growth. Climate. It requires warm and humid climate. Temperature. The temperature should not fall below 27 to 30 degrees Celsius during its growth period. Rainfall. In the initial stages of each growth, fields should be flooded with water. Rainfall above 100 centimeters is required. Irrigation is necessary in areas of low rainfall. Soils. Clay loam soil which can retain water is best suited for the cultivation of rice. Labor. Rice is a labor-intensive crop. Most of the operations require human labor as to uproot the seedling from nurseries, transplanting them in the fields. Okay. Rice hian in temperature rice chin na atan hian temperature 27 atanga 30 degrees Celsius ain niam tur ni lawa. Phun tir lai hian in tuin na chim reng tur ni a tin chumi ba ka chuan rainfall hi 100 centimeters amambo a ruat tui tlak tlem na chuan irrigation facilities ka an mo thin ani chuan clay loamy soil kan te a khanin rice hi an ching tlang pui china thok tu hi rice ching tur yan thok tu mamo nem em a heta koi che atanga phundar te sengthleng khan thok tu ka mamo nem em ani. Production and distribution of rice. China, India, Japan, Bangladesh, Thailand, Vietnam, Myanmar, Cambodia and Philippines are the main producer of rice in the world. A little rice is also produced in Egypt, Italy, Brazil, Turkey, USA and Spain. The world's production of rice was about 600 million metric tons in 2000. Khovela rice thar chuak tu rampoi mo te chu China, India, Japan, Bangladesh, Thailand, Vietnam, Myanmar, Cambodia le Philippines te ni a tin Egypt, Italy, Brazil, Turkey, USA le Spain te po hian engemaw zat an thar ve bawk ani. 2000 a hian Khovela rice a thar chua zat hi 600 million metric tons ani. Now wheat. The staple diet of people in a large part of the world is wheat. It is generally believed that wheat originally came from temperate regions. Wheat has a greater climatic adaptability than rice, hence it can be grown from Siberia to the tropical regions. Wheat has many varieties which can successfully grow in different climatic conditions. Rice ti lawa chuan Khovela mishing ina cho atana anren pui ber ani a pani na ni a alo chuan hi temperate region satang ani a chuanin wheat hi chi sang climatic conditions azer khan chi sang kha a omani mo chuan conditions for growth. Temperature. The temperature for wheat during its growing period is around 15.5 degrees Celsius. The weather should be warm and moist during the early stages of growth and sunny and dry in the later stages and during the harvest. Temperature here amomo zata chu than chho lai khanin 15.5 degrees Celsius ni a chuan phuntir hianin kholum hnong kan tiang chi kha amomo a chuanin anwa chuan khwa tha in khwa ka aro tha em turani tin a seng huna hianin ro asur turan lo boka khwa ro tha angchi kha kho tha angchi kha mamoni. Rainfall. It requires 40 to 75 centimeters rainfall. In areas of low rainfall and high evapotranspiration, irrigation is necessary. Soil. Loam is most suitable for wheat. High yields of wheat is also obtained from the Carnozem soil of Ukraine and prairies of United States of America. Labor. Less labor is required. Large machines are used in every operation on large land holdings. Okay. Rainfall within amomo zati 40 tanga 75 centimeter amomoa wa tui tlak tlem na le evapotranspiration chana muna hian irrigation amomo china. Chuan loam soil kan ti hi wheat chinan a tha hle a hemi baka hianin Carnozem soil Ukraine ale United States of America prairies region a hianin wheat an ching ve bok thene na thok tu hi amomo tlema hi achan chu machine enge wheat en kol na man ruwa khol sang ka tyang ka an mang na sem emani. Production and distribution of wheat. Wheat cultivation is done over a large area in the world. There is hardly any country which does not grow some wheat. World production of wheat in 2000 amounted to 583.6 million metric tons. USSR, USA, China, Canada, India, Australia, France, Italy, Turkey, Pakistan, Argentina, and Spain are the important producers of wheat. These countries produce about 80% of world's production. Okay. Wheat 2000 kuma khanin kovelin 583.6 million metric tons. Athara chuanin wheat thar chuak turam poimo te chu USSR, USA, China, Canada, India, Australia, France, Italy, Turkey, Pakistan, Argentina le Spain te ni ta a hengram te hianin khovela wheat thar chua zong za samria ti hengram atanga thar chua hiani. Now sugarcane. Sugarcane is a tropical crop which seems to have its original home in Eastern and Southeastern Asia. Sugarcane is the main source of sugar. Okay. Sugarcane hi tropical crop ni in our original home ni alang chu Eastern le Southeastern Asia ni a thil thum kan hmu na poimo ani. Now conditions of growth of sugarcane. Temperature. Sugarcane requires constantly high temperature ranging between 21 and 27 degrees Celsius. Less than 20 degrees Celsius temperature restricts the growth of sugarcane. Frost is extremely harmful to this crop. At the time of ripening, dry weather and low temperatures are required. Okay. Rainfall. It requires 75 to 120 centimeters of rainfall. Soil. Loam, clay, and alluvial soil are suitable for sugarcane. Deep soil with high moisture retention capacity is the best suited soil. Application of compost, manures, and chemical fertilizer is absolutely necessary for maintaining soil fertility. Labor. Cheap labor in large number is required. Okay. Sugarcane china tana temperature ngai za chu 21 tanga 27 degrees Celsius ani turani a 20 degrees Celsius a in temperature khatla niam turani lo. Sugarcane hian frost vur tla kan ti hi he mema a senghun theilai hian a seng thei huna hian khwa aro tha in temperature kha niam turani. Tin rainfall hi 75 tanga 120 centimeters amamo a. Loam, clay, and alluvial soil hi sugarcane chin na atana soil du thu cham ani a. Deep soil kan ti a nge moisture content san na non na tam ang chi a khanin an ching ve bok thin ani. Chuan tha thok tu hi engmaza tamamo boka sugarcane. ching tur hian na thok tu labor kan tia kha engemaw zat amaw ni production and distribution. The important sugarcane producing countries are Cuba, Brazil, India, Philippines, Australia, Puerto Rico, Hawaii, Pakistan, and Mauritius. In 2000, the total world's production was 1,310.9 million metric tons. Sugarcane thar chuak tu ram poimo deuh te chu Cuba te, Brazil te, India te, Philippines, Australia, Puerto Rico, Hawaii, Pakistan le Mauritius te ni a 2000 a khanin khovelina sugarcane thar chua za te hi 1,310.9 million metric tons ani. Now tea. Tea is an important beverage which is obtained from the tender leaves of an evergreen bush. Two types of tea plants are found in Chinese plant of small leaves and Assamese plant of wide leaves. Thingpui hi in chi thlai beverage crop kan nei zinga chuan poimo berani a kan shat angin azi ka hi kan in chu ni ta a tea plantation hi kovela hianin poimo deuh pahnih kan nei a Chinese plant of small leaf le Assamese plant of wide leaves sen ni. Now conditions for growth of tea. Climate. Tea plant requires warm and humid climate. Plant may be planted up to an altitude of 2,450 meters above sea level. Rainfall. Requires 125 to 750 centimeters rainfall. Rainfall should be evenly distributed for the successful growth of plants. Terrain. Water should not stagnate near the roots of the plant. Therefore, the gardens are located on hill slopes. Soils. Requires fertile soils with high humus content. Acidic soil with low calcium and higher iron content are better suited. Labor. Tea is a labor-intensive crop because picking and processing needs human labor. Thingpui ching tur hian thingpui hi kan soi tawng khan plantation crop ani a phun chi a thlai ani ta ni chuan ti phun tur hianin sea level atanga meter sang ni zali somnga sanga thingpui huan kan tiang chi kha an siam thina ruatui hi 125 atanga 750 centimeters amamu a roots akha azung akha tuina chia turin lawa chu wangin tea gardens kan ti a thingpui huan kan ti a hi atlang puin hill slopes a an siam tlang pui chin ani fertile soil le cha omna mo katyang chi kha an thingpui chin atana do thu samani a acidic soil kan ti calcium tlemna iron tamna ang chi hi thingpui chin atana do thu sam ber ani na thok tu hi amomo hnem em a azik si te lo her som tu tur ang chi te lo ti ro tu tur ang chi te lo pek tur ang chi te ka tyang kha na thok tu tur kha amomo hnem em ani. Now production and distribution. India, Sri Lanka, China, Japan, Indonesia, Pakistan, and Formosa are the important tea producing countries in the world. In 2000, the total world's production of tea was 2,900,000 tons. Thingpui thar chuak tu rampoi mo te chu India te, Sri Lanka te, China, Japan, Indonesia, Pakistan le Formosa te ni a 2000 a khanin khovelina thingpui thar chua zong zat hi 2,900,000 ton ni. Now cotton. Cotton is also known as universal fiber. Cotton is an important fiber crop. After the Industrial Revolution and discovery of the cotton ginning machine in 1793, cotton cultivation was greatly expanded in different countries of the world. Cotton hi kan soi to ang khanin universal fiber anti boka fiber crop kan nei zinga chuanin poimo tak pakhatani a Industrial Revolution nu le cotton her na khol an mo chuan nu 1793 nu a pheka chuanin cotton chin hi khovel mun chang chang hianin war em em ani. Now conditions for growth of cotton. Climate. Cotton requires warm climate. Temperature should be uniformly high between 20 to 27 degrees Celsius during the period of its growth. Frost is harmful, that's why it can grow in areas of subtropical region where a growing season of 210 frost-free days are available. A rainfall of 50 centimeters is enough, but it should be evenly distributed during the entire growth period. At the ripening time, rain is harmful. Water-retentive volcanic, black, and alluvial soil are most suitable for the growth of cotton. There should be intensive fertilizer used to maintain the fertility of the soil. Cotton seeing turhian temperature 20 changa 27 degrees Celsius in kar and turani a chuan vur ta kan ti hi hem ema vur sur turan lo chu wangin subtropical region a cotton kan sing ani chuan vur tlak lo hun lai 210 days kan ti aka ho vur tlak lo hun lai ni zani som chung kha cotton chin atang khan an chu thin ani an mang thin ani. Rainfall hi 50 centimeters vel amamo a seng hun lai hian ruwa tu asur turani lo ani chuan volcanic rock kan ti ang chi te black soil kan ti ang chi te volcanic soil kan ti ang chi te black soil kan ti ang chi te le alluvial soil hi cotton chin atana soil du chu sam ani then achang chuan soil chi sang dang chemical fertilizer ne na tang kopin nei thane na tang kopin cotton a hi an ching ve bok thin ani. Now production and distribution. The principal cotton producing countries are the USA, India, Brazil, China, Egypt, and Central Asian Republic of Tajikistan, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan. In 2000, the total world's production of cotton was 20,000 million metric tons. Kovela cotton thar chuak turam poimo te chu USA te, India te, Brazil, China, Egypt, Central Asian Republic of Tajikistan te, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan le Uzbekistan te ni a 2000 akhan koveina cotton thar chuasa hi 20,000 million metric tons ni. Oleti khanin tuntuma kanzir, rice, wheat, sugarcane, tea, cotton. Kang ho zinga khan engemaw ber kha pakhat ka lo chuak dawna chuwang chuan a geographical conditions le engramin nge thar mo a distribution a kha in lo zir le vek dawn nia. That's all for today.